Rex?
Hi, Andy.
Hey, hi. Already 2 months.
Hi, how are you?
Okay. But I never saw you with to explain result. Have you decided to go which college?
No, haven't decided yet. Maybe not going to college.
Why? Your result is good. Why do you want to continue? Just talking about the result.
No, totally was. I never get such result before. I feel this is such a big job for me. So no point to go to choose college anymore.
Hey, friend. Not kidding, okay? By the way, must be a lot of college university invite you to join their study program. So which is your choice? See whether we can be classmates again or not.
No, I didn't lie at you. Sorry, I lost in touch. See you next time.
Oh, bye. Hey, Qian. Do you know what happened to Rex?
What happened to him? I don't know.
You want to accompany me to find out what happened to Rex?
See you later.
Okay, bye. Excuse me?
Yes.
Can I ask something about Rex?
Sure, I still got some time.
Or we can move to the cafe to have a further talk.
Okay.
Please, can we know what happened on Rex?
What do you mean?
Actually, I'm the best friend of Rex. Rex is our top student in our class, but I just knew that Rex's SPM result is not very well. And I knew that Rex seems like busy to work. Do you know anything?
I'm not really sure, but got few people come to find them for continuous few days.
Few people come continuous few days.
Yeah, I think it really happened about half a year ago.
Oh, thank you, miss.
You're
We
welcome.
think we know what is happening. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. 走远
Do you think we need to call Rex to ask him to come out?
Yes, I think so. Okay, what's happening?
Hello?
Hey Rex. When you off day?
This Wednesday.
Tell you this Wednesday. See you.
Okay. Anything seems like really important?
Can I know what happened on you?
Must be something happened that makes your result drop.
Do you trust me? Maybe I can help you.
You're not able to help me, I'm sure. My father knows the bad guy. He took away all the money and
And what?
found with another woman.
What? Your father really do that? How can he do this to you? How about your mother now? Is she okay?
I heard she cried last night. You know how I feel? It's really hurt and worried. My mom says she will find a job after this to support our semester. Now she already 15 years old. She stopped working since marrying my father. I'm the only boy in my family only, and I still have a younger sister. I must working and take care of two of them.
Do you plan to retake the SPM? During this time, you still can work, but just tired because you want to study at night.
I don't have the extra money for that.
Do you think to get a counselor? They can help you, family and financial problem too.
When can I get a counselor?
Don't worry, we will help you. We know you bear a lot of burden. Just have a rest.
Okay, thanks. I will think about this.
Must think about it. I'm sure you can get an excellent result. Therefore, you will able to get a scholarship to continue your study. Then we can be classmates again.
Thanks a lot. By the way, who want to be your classmate again?